Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick how to bleach the knots and pluck your closure wigs. So we're starting off with 2 scoops of our BW2 powder, bleaching powder. And then I'm going to set my mixing bowl on my scale and pour up 1.2 ounces of developer. For this customer, she gave me this reference photo, so this is the look that I went exactly for. Middle part, baby hairs and everything. When you're mixing your mixture, I'm going to show you in the next frame what the consistency should look like. It should be a nice toothpaste-like consistency. So when you begin to put the mixture across your lace, you want to make sure that you use a plastic spoon, and you want to make sure you have a very light hand. That's just the key to this part. Also, I want to mention that it's safe, in my experience, to use 50 volume developer as well. You just wouldn't keep it on as long, but even if you do, I've noticed it's been safe, and you're going to get a nice bleached overall coverage too. So I just wanted to mention, you could definitely use 50 volume and get a good result for this. But remember, it is stronger than 40 volume developer. After you're done applying your bleaching mixture to your knots, you want to let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. Check on it, look for a yellow tone, and then you know it's ready. Rinse your mixture off on a cool temperature, then you'll be ready to neutralize. The shampoo helps the bleach mixture start working. It's no longer activated after we neutralize, and then we're gonna tone the knots. Using a no yellow shampoo is gonna help us remove any brassiness from the knots. Let the no yellow shampoo sit for about 20-25 minutes. So for the remainder of the video, I want to chat a little bit about myself and my business, LA Chic Wigs. This is one of my products, my Kayla unit. It's a 5x5 HD lace closer unit. This unit is custom made with my customer's head measurements. She provided the hair, and I made the unit for about, I think this one my sale was $99. When I'm making wigs for my clients, I'm focusing on mainly the perfect fit with their head measurements for a comfortable experience. With that being my focus, you can only imagine how much joy it brings me when I get DMs or text messages from my customers telling me that their wig fits perfectly and it's so comfortable and they wear it all day or they wear it all the time, or they take it off as soon as they get home or put it right back on when it's time to go to work. It's very comforting. It's one of the best feelings to be able to know that my product that I create works right how I want it to. The main focus that I have in mind when I'm creating, when I'm working and crafting. When I was beginning my wig making journey, y'all, plucking was one of the worst parts of the experience. But I grew to love it after a while, staying at it and just being persistent and being careful, because you can rip into your lace. One of the keys that I want to mention is you're not yanking the hair. I'm pulling the hair out of the lace in an upward motion. When I was creating this unit, the customer sent me a photo of how she wanted her unit to look, so I decided to pluck according to the hairline on that photo so she can get exactly what It's picture. Type of tweezers you use when you pluck does matter. You want like the slant ones, and you're using your eyes to look and make sure you're not creating a bald spot. Just making sure there's not that much hair in that area anymore, you know? In this video, I plucked on wet hair, and hair is always darker when it's wet. But now I do switch between both techniques of plucking on wet hair and dark hair, and I want to mention that you can too. As long as you know how to not snatch the hair, like completely and create bald spots and not completely mess up what you're trying to do, you should be fine plucking on wet hair or dry hair. I have no problem doing both. That's why I recommend doing both. Pick a technique that you like doing the most. I really think some people only even have a difference because it's probably just a difference in their routine of wig making. When you're plucking the very front of the hairline, you want to be the most careful, and you want to use your creative eye to see, like, is this looking how I want it? Is this giving what I want to give? Is this thin enough? Is it too thin? Should I stop? You know, what should I do? Make sure you're always looking, trying to figure out what's going on. This is around the time when I started to notice, like, this is giving what I wanted to give. It's what the customer wants based off the photo. I can stop plucking. Model has baby hairs in the photo, so I'm just pulling them out prematurely to make sure it's still giving what I wanted to give, and it is. I stand a no baby hair look, so I had to throw in a clip before I did the baby hairs. And she does it again. Look at that, just like the picture. And that's what I love to get to my customers, with the perfect fit.